Look at all of this dirt. Look how much oil's been spilled on here, look at that. Everything's just not the right colour. Okay, so I'm back, and today we're going to be doing something a bit different. It's going to be another maintenance kind of cleaning kind of thing. We're going to be cleaning my engine bay, because my engine bay is like quite filthy. It's literally got, I don't know who the hell had it before me, but they made the car dirty. Like every time you touch the engine bay, your hands go basically just go brown and black, full of dirt. So we're going to sort that out. We've got some special cleaning products. We've got loads of work to do on this. I want to polish the metal, but I haven't got metal polish yet, so that'll probably be another time. We're just going to get it clean basically. Anyone can do the engine bay. There's nothing like, no extra kind of stuff. So you know what, I might as well show you guys the engine bay right now, because it is just filthy. Okay, so this is the engine bay. I don't know if you can tell, let me put the flash on. I don't know if you guys can see, but look at all of this dirt. Look at that. It's horrible, and then look at all of that under there, and look how much oil's been spilled on here, look at that. It's disgusting, so I need to get all of that off. All the way across here, all the back's gone all brown there. Everything's just not the right colour, so that only sorting. And just, yeah, I want to get it all looking shiny again, even there, look at that. I was going to get it all looking shiny, and then we're going to polish these two eventually one of the days. All the metal pieces are going to get polished one of the days, and I might even change that pipe. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I might do that. Okay, let's get everything sorted. We're going to take this cover off as well, because it's easy to do off the engine. Okay, so I've got all the products here on the wall, all the stuff. So what you're going to need is just a bottle of water basically, just normal water spray, yeah, or even just a bottle. Old toothbrush, and just some sort of hard bristle brush. And then this degreaser thing, I'll link this down below. It's literally just a really good engine cleaner, and Bilt Hamber, I've checked on forums, is one of the best ones. They make really good fallout remover and everything, so I'll just leave links down below for that. And then to take off the engine cover, you're going to need a T30 Torx bit, this one. Yeah, T30 Torx bit, an extension, and obviously a screwdriver or a ratchet, something to use it with. But yeah, it's just T30. So let's get started with taking off the engine cover. I've got the engine cover off now, so I'll show you guys what the cleaner thing does as well. I'll show you now quickly. Just realised you're going to want a pair of gloves as well, just in case. But yeah, let's do the degreaser then. I'll just do half so you can see the difference. Yeah, so it turns out my spray's not working, so I'm going to have to just pour it and do some weird dodgy stuff. Okay, so it's still drying, but look, you can see the difference between that. Then that looks brand new now. That looks horrible. This is disgusting. So you can do it to the whole thing, even all the screws, even the whole engine bay. Yeah, this spray is also safe to use on all like rubber pipes, all this silicone bits, all these. Just avoid electrical stuff, so stuff like that. You don't want to get water into there, so just use a brush around them. So got sensors there, all the coil packs, the map sensor there, MAF there. In a diverter valve, all the valves, just be careful of anything that's what's it called, electrical. Let's get started. Okay, so it's about half an hour later, about half an hour later, it's decided to rain. But what's it called? It's all cleaned. Some parts we can't get off because it actually rusts, and like polishing and sorting out and everything. Then what I'm going to do another day, I'm going to actually fully polish the engine bay as well one of the days, like the turbo and the exhaust manifold, all that kind of stuff. But right now it's looking 10 times cleaner. Even though it hasn't dried yet, you can still tell it's going like much cleaner. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so here's the after result. I'll throw up a before picture right now. So you can see before, there's dirt everywhere, dirt on the engine bay cover, there's dirt on the engine cover, there's dirt on the washer bottle and stuff, there's dirt everywhere. It's just generic, just dirt and dust everywhere, all over the engine bay. And you can see now, look, it's all clean. All this, it's all clean, everything. Even the engine, look at the engine, look how clean the engine cover looks. And it just makes the car look like it's just newer, and like, it just makes the car look like it's worth more. It's weird, but it does. But there is obviously little bits here and there, like I couldn't reach down these kind of spots, but other than that, everything on the surface is clean. I've cleaned as much as I can below, like I've even done like little bits down there, and the headlight covers, all the little kind of stuff. I mean, you can see everything's like 10 times cleaner. Look at all this whole pipe was brown before, That's all on clean. Engine covers are just completely clean. Everything cleaned in between all of this in the oil dipstick. I've cleaned even the caps on the inside and out. I've cleaned everything. But I also did use a microfiber cloth. I forgot to mention earlier. It helps out a lot. So the parts where you let's say you can't clean a plug, you can just clean around it, get the microfiber, dry it off, and you're done. That's what I did here as well for the diverter valve. Everything's looking so clean. I even cleaned other parts like up on the engine, like the actual bonnet. I cleaned back here. Everything's been cleaned. I need to just do the normal, like just take out the leaves and whatever. But that's probably going to be done later because it's starting to rain now. But yeah, if you guys do want to clean your engine bay, it's not actually too hard. It's quite simple. Just need that one cleaner, and then you kind of sort of just brush it around, wipe it off, brush it around. It's just a bit of effort. It takes a bit of elbow grease and a bit of time. That's all. But yeah, that's what it looks like right now. That's the final product. I'm thinking of possibly changing that pipe to one of these either blue ones, or get like a metal one made to go down to the back. What do you guys think? Let me know. I don't know what other pipes I should change on this car. I'm trying to change a few pipes just to get coloured pipes around the car. Think like maybe, I don't know, changing these or just changing pipes to make it look better. That's all. I'm not gonna be one of the ones that act like I've got some crazy like engine or whatever. It's only a 1.4. I can't do too much to it. Next car we're gonna go all out though. But with this, like, I just want to make it look just a bit better kind of thing. And yeah, that is it then for today. That is a full engine, whatever it's called. I don't know how to call it. Just engine clean and engine detail, I guess. I don't know. But full engine detail. Everything cleaned off, looking good. And yeah, so if you guys do try to do this at home and you get stuck with anything, just let me know. I'll leave links for everything I used down below. And yeah, it shouldn't be. It's quite a quick job. It's a good job. And if, let's say you're going to sell your car, it's a good thing to do because you can it makes it look better in pictures and stuff. Just anyway, in general, it makes the car look just more expensive. So that'd be good if you are going to sell your car. And if you're not, if you just want to take pictures, again, just clean it. But yeah, that's it then for today. Remember to like, comment down below and subscribe for more mods. I've got some more cosmetic stuff going on soon as well. I've already bought the parts, I just need to put them on. And performance, we're thinking should be within the next few months. Performance might be changing, let's just say. So we got plans. But yeah, just like, comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.